Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building the schematic now. Lay down power rails and ground, place components and assign real values. This prevents floating nodes. Once done, attach manufacturer spice models for ICs and set component tolerances. Make sure to name nets you will probe. Then add voltage sources and initial conditions so the solver has starting points. You are ready to run a preliminary check. Run an error check to catch pin misconnects before moving to analysis. Next, you set up the analyses that answer your questions. Choose transient if you need time behavior, AC sweep for frequency response, and DC operating point for bias points. Set time step or max step for accuracy, too large hides dynamics, too small slows simulation. Use parametric sweeps to explore component values. Place probes on outputs and key nodes for both voltage and current. Once configured, run a dry simulation and inspect waveforms for expected shapes and magnitudes. Finally, validate outputs against expected behavior and datasheet numbers. If voltages or timing are off, adjust component values or add series resistance and parasitic capacitance to model reality. Once done, rerun targeted sweeps and transient tests to confirm changes. Make sure to save the netlist and export key waveforms for records. If the simulator fails to converge, reduce time step, relax tolerances, or add small series resistances.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.